Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add moving cinematic bar opening in Filmora. So for that, you have to go to the media and you have to choose the sample color option. In under the sample color section, you will be able to see the black color. So you have to drag it down to the second timeline and adjust it according to the length. Now again, you have to add another one. You have to adjust the length according to the first one. After that, place it to the upper timeline and go to the effect option and search 21. Now you'll be able to see that cinema 21:9. Select this option and make it equal to the length of the video. In this way, the cinematic bar has been created. But in this section, you have to create the moving cinematic bar opening. So for that, click on the first black color, go to the animation and go to the customize option. Now you have to do some keyframing. So after that, click on the add option. Now you have to lock the upper timeline as we are going to work on this timeline. So I'm going to just adjust the first position to the middle. You can also hide the upper timeline for the better understanding. So I'm going to adjust the position to the middle. I think it's okay. Now I'm going to add another position in keyframing. In the second position, it will move out of the screen. So I'm going to place it here. Okay, now I'm going to move this point to the end. Now I'm going to hide this one and lock this one and unhide and unlock the upper timeline. After that, click on this button. I'm adding the first position and placing to the lower middle part. You can adjust it to just above the middle line so that it doesn't create any gap. So at the second position, you can add another position and you have to place it out of the frame. And you can move it to the end. Now unhide the third timeline too. Now let's see how it looks. You can see that how easily and very smoothly the effect has been created. In this way, you can easily create moving cinematic bar in Filmora. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all for watching the full video. See you in the next one.